Hi there, Andy Lowe here from easymoneybetting.com. It's Sunday and Bet365 have put out an offer, as you can see here, up to £25 free in-play bet. So basically you have to bet £25 to get the £25 in-play bet. So how do I play this? First of all, it's the Man City Liverpool game. Liverpool at 3.75, and to lay them off at the moment, the odds are 4. So if we put that into the calculator, 3.75 and 4, £25, it's a qualifier. That'll cost me £1.56. Now I could find something that's a closer match than that, but what I'll do here is it's like a double bet, because Bet365 also play the offer of 2 up. So Liverpool go 2 up and don't win, so it's like a double bet really. So what I'll do here is Liverpool 3.75, £25, place the bet, and you see there it's come up, free bet offer qualified for £25. To go and lay that off, that's going to, like I say, it's going to cost me £1.56, so I'll lay £23.44. £23.44, sell, confirm. So that basically is the offer done. I'll watch the game, and at half time I will go in and probably bet on a high odds correct score, and from the £25 I'll lock in probably a profit of roughly about £20. But also obviously I'm hoping that Liverpool go 2-0 up and don't win, so it's like it's a double whammy sort of thing. There's a chance of me winning, if that happens, an additional £70. So it's a really good offer and well worth doing. If you want to find out some more information about match betting and all these bookie offers, just click the link below or go to my website, which is easymoneybetting.com, and there's plenty of free examples of how you can start doing this yourself.